da or de pama sa test le shui yi an tani also do not la squares and square root re the rangama the square chair de in summit somebody. I will continue this week and I will try to complete this chapter today. Okay. Now double chance out finding squares of a number double chance out da. Okay. So now do the job you revise you. And perfect square number is somewhat example case to stay with okay, thank you to that. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, and 9 square 81. Our first 9 perfect squares. Square the first 9 natural number or the first 9 perfect squares. Okay, the data is important. Odd number square than answer odd, even number square than answer even, odd number square than answer odd. The square odd number is odd, and square even number is even. Division and then the dinner number we have 1, unity 4, 6, first 9, 6, 5, leader 1, 4, 9, 6, and 5 delayed. Okay, that was 5, 6, the less of 9, the less of 4, the layer, and 1, the layer. That number could then make your order. Then number first 9, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. So then the first step that you check whether the given number is perfect square or not, that money, you check the unit digit. Right? If the unit digit are of 2, 3, 7, 8, number is not perfect square. Yes. The perfect square number la unit digit 2, 3, 7, 8 number cannot be perfect square if its unit digit is 2, 3, 7, and 8. That doubt here. If the unit digit of a number are of 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, perfect square re mares. Yimba yungure, member yungures. Is Jirona is Jingne Tang Kai Roy Jingne Chik Shi Kunga perfect square be Chabatalna, teacher. Member yungura, penetration 14 division. 14 is not perfect square, but the 1, 14. 2, 7 of 14. Therefore, 14 is not perfect square. Factor said well, Tangi Chambu lesson on the correct. To the factor perfect square, we have two methods, prime factorization and division method. And division method on the lot of Nayoma in division page than decoding it. This is another key, perfect square to check that. Okay. The prime factor method perfect square redo remainder senator. Perfect square mena perfect square imesana perfect square sonata word. And actually given number the perfect square number the number correct square or the prime factor method and correct division method color ninar subshare. Okay, first step la section is 96 a perfect square perfect square is 96 a perfect square. 96 perfect square 96 factor you find the prime factor of 96. Even number though you do have 2, 2 4 8, 1 to 8 16. Again even number you do have 2, 2 4. Even number 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, and 3 1 3. Those are 96. And the other revision chair that the a prime factorization method you learn in lower classes also. Then two and then the bird jada. So the ball also copy the rational number the exponent. So 96 can be as a product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiplied by 3. That didn't alone square number multiplied by number itself. Number you double the equal factors. Equal factors in the you circle the double of equal factors. Factor chipo nila goida. A group says so. What is left? It doesn't have a pair and this doesn't have a pair. Chamindo, middle the money and 96 is not a perfect square. Because the number 96 is not perfect. Then case kissing it 144. Is this a 144 or perfect square? You find the prime factor 144. 2 with the direction you combine it to 7 to 2 2 3 6 1 2 6 12 again 2 18 that much say 2 9 3 3 and 3 1 3. So 144 is equal to 144 is a product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3. Prime factors product of as a prime factor, then this product of prime factor. That didn't alone 144 the number factor you groups. You group the double of equal factors. All factors are pay or no factors are left over without pay. Means somebody 144 is a perfect square. And the prime factors I was in the topic left us 144 perfect square. Can you factor you need do this? So, factor you need do not factor you need make it how Windows. Yeah, how me that I'll give number the perfect square. Then 2 the 3 ya 2 the 3 ko ya Windows. Rogo me the ba cha me the ba and they give number the perfect square mares. The perfect square you na perfect square to connect. The square is na made near da. Made the perfect square and the roina. Okay, oh, that don't do. The perfect square mena perfect square so not understood. The list number to be multiplied and divide lighting again class 8 next topic cube and cube nim the labo right ang the 10 to number do ya cube the cube next chapter lab to bang ye and professor ko so that dung da and then go out so lo and now do me we'll straight go to how to find perfect square root by factor method and division method. The benefit is na. Oh, that's square root. Square root. Square. Square of x. X is the power 2 theta. Square of x. Square root of x na. X raised to power half the la and square root left. Denominator 2 the denominator 2 the root lida. Square root of square 2 is the square root. Denominator power 3 ne cube of x power 3 ne cube root lida. The square or square root of x ne the answer expression now. Kashi dustir. This is what square root. What is about square root of x? X raised to power half can be written as square root of x. A radical radical sign square root of this. Then Jidamara also murder. So now Tamoni gives the secret to that. Oh, the square says number Angchambudi number 2 correct multiplication later. Tala squares and a niche lavella. Prime factors method and division method. The perfect square remains the prime factors change na kolelo chapter. The prime factors method kashigi LCM method the LCM method in your mark. The prime factorization method dine and LCM sana. Prime factors method dine SCF sana do ta. The prime factorization method yours and LCM method your marta. Okay. The prime factors method did example give find square root of 196. Perfect square there. 196. Okay, okay. The 196 or you can write as 196 raised to power half. Then what? Or as of 196. That's equal to 196. Square root of 196. Okay. The question did this how dollar got the perfect square number takes. The perfect square number mean approximates an togo. So the perfect square number in that I hope 196 perfect square made a team into town tinda. Okay, 196. Now you find prime factor. That their divisibility test what we have learned in previous class 6 and below. Okay, last number even the say 2 1 draw you combine it 19. 2 9 is 18 draw. 2 9 is 18. So 19 18 mathana we get 1. Left with 1 dash. So this becomes 16. 2 8 16. Again you drop it 2 even number the 2 4 7 8 you take 1 out. 2 9 is 18. Or that 7 7 is 49 and 7 1 is 7. This is also okay. Square root kit number square root of this square root of 196 is equal to the radical sign you write radical sign over here. Square root of 30. Now you put all the prime factors. Then you the prime factor perfect square rather we group double equal factors. Then that equal factor you take it 1. Rare mate. Okay, the 2 square ni do 2 ni you take 1 2 out. The 7 ni do you take 1 7 out. Multiply 2 7s are 14. The square root of 196 is 14 number. 14 multiplied by 14 gave 196 strike those loud. That means square root of 14 is 196 and square root of 196 is 14. Example going to stay in the example let's say 225. You find the square root of 225 of prime factors. You find the prime factor of 225. Last digit 5 you always divide by 5. And last 5. 5 that division you combine these two 22. 5 4 are today. 24. That 22 ne 20 mathana 2 left. You write over here 2, carry over here 25. 25 5 5 so 25. Again you drop it 5. 5 9 so 45. 3 3 3 and 3 1 so 3. So square root of 225 is equal to right? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The 5 you take 1 5, 3 you take 3. So multiply is 15. Prime factorization. Okay, that gives a decimal point in a decimal point is true. Then prime factor method or the prime factorization method. Find the square root of or prime factorization method. Our prime factorization is 7.29 says. The decimal point you change decimal point you change to fraction change here. Okay. Prime factorization decimal point don't matter. You change to fraction. 7.29 is equal to 7 to 90. Denominator you place 2 dash 0. 100 place to a 10th, 100 place to the smart. Now you find the prime factor of 7 to 9. 7 to 9 what's all square root with the 7 to 9 is last number odd. So this number is not divisible by 3 to the you add the digit. Then you need them go good 18 d 3 to in the number is divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 left, 12, 3 4 is 12, 3 is again you drop it 3 order the number chick find square and daran going to 3 8 is 21, so it's 3 is 24, 313. Again you do 2, 27. 3 2 2 9, 3, 3 and 313. Okay. So square root of this is equal to square root of this one. Or 7 and 29 is prime factor somewhat 30. Take so see 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 2. The denominator of the 100 100 prime factors you draw factors are 0 ni 0 ni 10 multiplied by 10 0 shi na 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 0 ni is 10 multiplied by 10 an ko le that numerator factor chi bodina 3 chi do 3 ni ne you take 3 out yang 3 ni do 3 ni ne you take 3 out that 10 ni ne 10 ni do 10 ni ne chi ma 3 is 9, 9 is 27 upon 10. That is denominator 0 also. 0 chik do ang chik duna and decimal point 2.7. So looks out there. Let out. Can you try that? Now 3.24 try. Okay, 3.24. Square root of 3.24. 3.24. Okay, root 3, 2, 4. Those still a fraction change. Decimal point also check need to angin zimba and 0 ni shas 1 check 0 ni do scarce. Now you find the prime factor of 324. Say the rock is 324. Or last number evenly you do have a 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. The 2 multiplication factor 7 and get 2 do 2 8 16 1. The odd number is 8 plus 1 9 3 do 8 1 3 27 and get 3 9 and then 3 3 and 3 1. This is so this can be written as square root of prime factor check ni 2 ni do 3 how many times 1 2 3 4. So divided by 0 ni 0 ni okay 2 ni ne 2 chik matters 3 ni ne 3 chik matters 3 ni ne 3 chik matters 10 ni ne 10 chik matters radical sign means or the square root means number correct square this is square root das this good up judab de number the square root das the fact you multiply 3 is 9 9 to 18 upon 10. That's logic do 1 a the angichik do na point. Adi to find square root by prime factors method. The prime factors chibu do ne ka cut it ta sha. Okay, that is again last down. This is find the square root of find the square root of 841. The square root of 841 sound or down. 841 sound number they call the 2 there. In a place 1 odd number given number is odd number. Right? 2 3 number thumbs 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 1 13 or 13 3 minus 5 to the prime number next numbers 5 5 to the unit digit 5 or 0 legodes then 5 to home in those that's 7 to there I'm not sure 7 divisible test color cards 7 to 8 4 1 7 to 7 1 7 1 4 2 6 14 1 7 0 0 remaining 1 is link window that then you have to the but next you try by 11 to the 8 4 1 you place from odd even odd ni dom 9 even 34 you find the difference fine and difference color either multiple of 11 or 0 le고 땡아 좀 보자라 11 더 도민다 또 셀 가다 드시고 저도 셀 또 방법 time consuming pe 방법이 있더니 time save 제라 method new 장 그래 method long division method 스콜 드네 셀라 안게 도 강에 드네 강에 되는 번에 맞아 long division method 세도나 gauss 싱도 다 method gauss 셀 달라 division method 레도 to find squared by division method. The division method to the money, you have to understand bar is the same order. Then you have 841 just okay. You always write bar from the unit place. One place needs to draw. Or from decimal point. The decimal point didn't so angini bar to stay. Lot of Kasha to sting air. Kashitika to ting air. I say it's a lot of the Tasna, Kashi error, Payu, lot of the error there. A CB is a lot of la error table, back of the stand. And I ain't erroring the tongue. I need parala, bar rating. Bar the category it determines number of digits in the square root of the given number. That there are 841 unit is Kaleguna. Digit calculate digit needles. This square la digit near, nay, tongue later, 2 digit numbers. The guessing it was na. For the stena, that didn't number carry, unit digit see there. Nissan or space by bani doa, bani the given number the square root la, angini machining marta. Unit digit and tens place. They need angini machining marsla. Digit nigger little wrestler, but it's not. The bad delapage, I'm going to draw there. That Delamas question, you have to understand the first 9 natural numbers. This question order. In the Tukon version, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square in the and 9 square. 81, 64, 49, 36, 25, 16, 9, 4 and 1. The professor can say, or then method set a only layer. Method locked down method to the jury in here, addition method could do that. I can do method curl the page down. I should double down color card. Okay. The 841, the division method too smart to the way right over here. 41. First take the one's place to Bartilosa, Bartina. Okay. The first bar the Kazudo. Digit Kazudo, first bar the Angichi was digit machine, 8 machine, or the 8 dimensions or something. 8 meosela, 8 la exact figure, Yaman 8 exact winner, less than 8. Less. So the first 3 square 9, and 9 is greater than 8. Exact mean perfect square number then. Means the body less than 8 cardo. We have 4. 4 correct square though. 2 square. So multiply 2 square is equal to 8. So 2 times 2, 4. You subtract. Then you lot of that also. Okay. Now you subtract 8 minus 4, we get 4. Oh, that is the bar that I'm 41 need Niga mapa. You place this down. 41. That is Zosa. Oh, the next you double this number. 2 double down to 2 to 4. Or the tens place here. Now try to put a number over here. Unit digit number to some. Digit number to the money, unit digit number to digit has unit place down 1 door or 1 cardo. 1 and 1 digit place 1 together. Or either you put 21 or you put 29. 9. The 4 in the bar. 1 luna, you multiply by 1. 9 luna, you multiply by 9. If I put 1 luna, 41 ones are 41. But units are 441. 9 tries in that. 9 is 81, 1, 8, 36 plus 8, 44. Exactly. So 9 over here, you write put 9 over here. So 4, 4, 1, 0. The square root of 841 is this. Square root of 841 is equal to 29. That double the mama name which the double time test color how to don't unit. And the double na double time. 4 digit the level, then 6 the 5 the 8 the digit double time color how to the only cherry the money. Thing it example it find the square root of 1024. Dustina square root of 1024 la. Okay, given number the unit digit 4 is the bar, and number digit 4 number either unit place 2 or unit place 8. Thing information gel to that and test last year. Right. Okay, the next 1 0 2 4 the bar. Then the near one's place ne angini battle so. Okay, this is. Thank you, double down the method to that. Okay, first bar we have 10. 10 is the bar. The 10 is nearest perfect square how the exact net to what? Number perfect square. Mena 10 nearest number how the square. Right, which is less. Okay, 10 is not perfect square. Perfect square means 10 you should 10 you should need 4 square 16 and 3 square 9. The 10 angi kit 10 new kit 10 new 9 do. Oh, 9 karigu square do 90 3 square do. Chitanga kit bunny 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. You subtract 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, now you subtract 10 minus 9 equals to 1. That replace the manuga map of the Diniga map with that 24 the map on I get 24 to start. That 3 double down 3 double 3 2 1 3 2 so they has in a samala double tangi tota. The 3 angi with the 3 3 double down 3 times 3 3 times 3 so 3 2 so 6 or one's place so much one's place la angi 10th place tell orta. The one's place the angi digit number zosa zumba the unit is 4 in a unit is 4 unit is 4 on a either 2 or 8 square. Okay, the number 62 in a you multiply by 2, 68 in a you multiply by 8. And 8 is a 64, 2 to the 4. Unit is 4 in but the Lamela, Yaman 2 square 2 Yaman 8 square 2 those large. Or 8 square 8 is 64, 6, 8 4 6 48, 48 plus 8, 50, so 6 54. But one is 2 into the 4, 2 6 12. Exactly. You put 2 over here, you put 2 over here. You get 124. 0. Therefore, 1 0 2 9 sorry 3 1 0 2 4 square root of 1 2 2 4 is equal to 32. That is there. Square that. Okay. Take into get the try that. You may need a saw. Here's this right. You find the square root of 9801. Okay, first step the battle swing. There's near 10 ta 9 8 0 1 and now batis. Angin about the chignate goes to from the one's place you write bar, taking 2 digits at a time. Right? In bar digit near the that they have first bar have 98. You try to find a number nearest to 98. 81 the 81 correct square the 81 is square of 9. So 9 times 9 we get 81. You subtract 81 98 minus 81. So when you subtract we get 7 and 1. That the anginiga map of 0 1 popsang ida. It gives him 8 to go much. Okay. The 9 double down. 9 double down 9 to 18. Always leave the one's place empty. You have to fill up this number. The digit number 1 length 1 length this to either is 1 or 9. So 181 lunani 181 pachuna so place 9 189 luna you multiply by 9 9 is 81 8 72 72 plus 8 80 8 9 1 9 17 170 tadasa. So put 9 over here and 9 over here 1701. Therefore square root of 9801 is equal to 99. Or you can write as 9801 is equal to 99 square. Try that. Find square root of 1089. Last number the last practice. Doing a decimal point. Get on with the bar house lido. Passum lido, chick lido, ni lido. Baldba, chignini, angini sutik, angini part take there. Angini gonna take the house lido. Take ni lido or step nil sagda. It is because it has given number 1 through 89. Square root of 1 through 89 has only 2 digits. Digit ni machine step ni sagda. Digit some in step some sagda. Digit she na step she sagda. Bar tanga ba ni the step ni ba some in a step some ba she in a step she. Angi digit mounted ba a step mount. And now to the Giola at least 4 digit per ratio. You may by the number 6, 7, 8 digit per door. And then you got to good. And now 4 digit in the level of the okay. 1 0 8 9. In one's place you write bar and bar. Okay, since it has 2 bar, the given number square root given number has only 2 digits. The image mata. Okay. This is the washing me profit washing me and made the sumbang at level stop. I think it's a try. Oh, the first 10 nearest number card. 10 the nearest number did 3 square. 3 times 3 equals to 9. And 4 times 4 16 mount as well. Okay. You subtract, we get 1 8 9 map ups. 3 double downs, we get 6. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. Or 1's place number shots. The unit teacher got 9 9 9 3 square and 9 7 square and 9 3 square and 9 or 7 square and 9 3 square 9 and 7 square 49. In the unit teacher 9 3 7 then you put 63 luna, you multiply by 3. 69 7 luna and 7 luna, 1's place you multiply by 7. Okay. 7 6 42 Mindoa cheddar 3 6 18 Tali doa. Try this part 9 18 3 you write over here 3 1 89 0. Therefore square root of 1089 is equal to 33. Tangi dinner shitting on the decimal point pushing at decimal point to try together. Find the square root of 77.44, not 44. 77.44 twice. The prime factorization division method la katu try division method the bar is 77.44. Yeah, think the bar is about in one's place in bar as decimal point. So one's place then or the niago. Angin bate decimal point it's a about it. Think of the whole number in the bar, one's place signature. That decimal point is bar, decimal point here or that. Decimal point didn't get number to decimal point here number ni ni le ma ju decimal point gel number na decimal point gel number ni ju the first part of the 77 da 77 nearest number ka 8 square 64 9 square 81 81 is greater than 77 new in ka chera sa so you take 64 raw la 64 ka square 8 square so 8 is 64 subtract so 7 minus 4 3 1 the decimal point you put decimal point over here and then you take it down 44 the next 8 double down you get 16 or one's place there one's place number the unity zero the 4 and over here and 4 2 square for the 8 square for the 8 should be unity place 2 or 8 so 2 na 162 you multiply by 2 4 na is 8 na 168 you multiply by 8 and the digit sum the digit shida big gap chumbu da so larger number twice number there 8 is 64 6 8 48 plus 6 54 5 8 1 is 8 13 etc so 8 you put 8 so 1 3 4 4 0 so square root of 774.44 is equal to 8.8 okay this is right square root of 0.0256 0.0256 là the 0.0256 chỉ bật ta nhé thực sự ta đây chứ na 0.0256 decimal point ma error rồi ang ni đấy decimal point dun lang na decimal point ya ang ni decimal point ki jele na decimal point ma ang ni rồi okay the first bar do ma dong ngi tang decimal point do you put decimal point up that's 02 there or 2 that ang whole number 2 cha 2 nearest number do 1 is the 1 you subtract 1 and next you take it 5 6 the 1 double down we get 2 multiply by 2 1 multiply by 2 don't think about the decimal place only think about the number decimal point some da set number ju sam da 2 and 2 that's 6 rang ha do 6 rang 4 da 6 rang 6 da okay either 24 or 26 you multiply by 4 you multiply by 6 okay so now 4 for 16 for 8 9 96 6 is 36 3 12 156 etc so the so 6 156 okay did it this long division method the long division method de kala kha wo dulas na tang ye third method lago ones place and tens place lago that the cause get that next day find square root test no number perfect square number digit okay then third method labinda third method lang agi test chest down somebody this chest down and the digit pair on then 1 square equals to 1 2 square equals to 4 3 square is equal to 9 4 square is equal to 16 5 square is equal to 25 6 square is equal to 36 7 square equals to 49 8 square is equal to 64 and 9 square equals to 81 dikinda that's 0 to 0 okay the guessing in number chip pension ngi tambal number lelos to ra listen dina 961. If you are asked to find the square root of 961, right? 961 the square root cell as na tanga prime factor method kala khabor ngala, right? Long division method kala khabor. Division method bu slow la ne dusra ta di samata answer ki pa draw la. This shortcut method, right? Okay. First that you look at the unit place of this number. Got 1 do. Unit place 1 range kal do da. 1 de do the 1 do. Unit place 1 range angni either 1 re or 9. Chiding it ba. Given number the square root la unit place 1 range la either 1 or 9 ni ra so. 1 or 9 ni ra sa. Okay, tadini number ni pasu. Ti pasu ba. Suna ka se 9. 9 the perfect square ni sho kharta velu. 9 the perfect square ni sho de na. 9 x de do. 9 the correct square do. 3 square do. All the tens place char. The 3 chart tens place 3. That number given 961 gi number the perfect square khalere yawani either 31 or 39. Chigne chikda chigne gura number the 31 square or 39 square la. Ta koni khangda ta de bane number the card 3 do unit square as 3 ki next number kare 4 or 3 multiply 3 next number 3 4 so 3 12. The product dida number hama di ching dur. Product the chain you take the small number. Product chungena you take the larger number. Then the good chungi la dumari chungi che ra product the che do chungi che number 12 is greater than 9. Therefore square root of 961 is small number 31. Take it out. Perfect square number. Example ko chuma example thing ko do. Shortcut method. Okay, 400 square root of 484. First place you look at the unit place. 4 the 4 kar the unit place na the unit place 4 days do 4 days do the 4 kar do 2 square da the 4 unit place 4 ang do 8 square da unit place 4 do. Okay, china unit place the kar na unit place or ones place 2 or 8 square 64 ag do 2 square 4 ag do unit place 4 ang angni dos 2 square tanere 8 square tanere 4 ag dos dot. The tens place number tangi number ni sin no command de exact ragum do na dire te nyunga sam tang ta ta na 4 exact rag da 2 square da tens place kare 2 rag de inba therefore number kare 22 or 28 char. That 22 in 22 multiplied by 22 say 28 multiplied by 28 and to go to is the money the number card the 2 are 2 square or 2 the next multiply 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 product the number 6 is greater than 4 product chain ang chung the killer so product the chung product the chung number check it or die you need to check it product the chung number the chung so the chain number the chung che product the chung give number hama dele chung you take large number so the 6 is greater than 4 therefore square root of 484 is 22 or 28 the che number chung the key product the che dos number okay. Take into the choice. Square thing in last number 1764. 1764 ang the point is someone 1764 try ta because try che ani to okay 1764 unit to 4 do ones place 1 to 1 place khali de 4 and 2 the 8 the 2 or 8 share the okay number ni basop khala sai we have 17 nears ka the perfect square 6 the okay tens place 4 square 16 that number give the number square ka either 42 or 48 42 or 48 yes see mo jaw mat the 42 the 40 near tens place number the 4 next number is 20 or 20 chair the 17 chair 20 chair 20 chair number chung ki therefore square root of 1764 is equal to 42 because the do thing da okay che then the running a division method che the lot of now la prime factorization the division method the di kare lot of chilot guess it go shoot in the square che mo the division da right shortcut method and cogzi ya to today okay the method sum met to slave lot of chilot okay that now topic to make the given number perfect square like this 이게 perfect cube and cube root 님들 나 was like 아니야 comparison 지든 번에 장래 라 되지 okay that then topic this out 아니야 next topic thing cube and cube root in that class 8 in bana okay 아니 갔다가 시작이 class 1